today we're going to talk about the differences between coding and programming, because most of you think they're the same thing, but today I'm going to tell you they're not. And I'm going to break it down with some examples. So grab a snack and smash that like button, subscribe. Let's get started. So by the end of this video, you'll know the difference between coding and programming, and you'll be ready to flex that knowledge to your next tech meetup or with your friends, or at least impress your cat. Plus, I've got examples so easy it would be easy to explain or something. So let's start off with what's coding. Alright, coding is just you telling a computer what to do by writing instructions in a language it gets, like Python, JavaScript, or HTML. It's all about nailing the syntax. Think of coding as writing a recipe for like the world's laziest sandwich. Example, say I want a web page to scream hello world in red. I'd write this HTML and CSS. And boom, that's coding. Slapping together some lines of code for one job. It's like telling your dog to sit, but you know the dog's a computer and doesn't chew your shoes. And what's programming? Now, programming, that's a big boss level. It includes coding, but it's the whole planning, designing, coding, testing, and keeping the app alive. It's not just making a sandwich, it's running a whole food truck business. Yeah, it's running a whole restaurant per se. Programmers are basically juggling ways. As they're like, let's build an app, test it, fix it, and so example, let's say you're building a calculator app to add two numbers. Programming means planning it out. We need the inputs and a button, designing a sleek interface so it doesn't look like a 90s website, coding the math or the JavaScript. For example, testing it to make sure it doesn't say 2 plus 2 is equals to 22, fixing bugs and stuff. That's programming. Key differences between coding and programming. So, what's the deal? Coding is writing the code for small stuff, like making a blue button. Programming is the whole thing. Planning, coding, testing, and saving the day. Why it matters. Why care about this? If you're new in tech, coding is a dope place to start. Learn some Python or HTML and you're golden. If you're into solving puzzles and building epic apps, programming's your jam. Knowing the difference helps you pick the right path without signing up for advanced rocket science 101 by mistake. Trust me, I once thought programming was just typing fast while wearing a hoodie. Spoiler, it's way cooler. Yeah, you don't get to sleep and maybe get depressed and don't have a social life and sadder and even more sad. So, call to action. Alright, now you're basically a coding versus programming, yes, but which one's got you hyped? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious. If you like this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more. Comment, like, share to your friends and stuff. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. And share.